Hi, this video is for week 4 of COM 111. The purpose of this video is to help you navigate the assignments that are due this week, specifically looking at the first speaking prompt. When you log on to Blackboard, please make sure you click on weekly assignments and then week 4. Each week there will be an outline that helps you navigate the assignments that are due. Looking specifically at the speaking prompts, there is a handout here. It has been available each week of the class. If you haven't had a chance to read through it, please make sure you read through the handout carefully. During the semester, you will be submitting 4 different speaking prompts. Each one is worth 50 points. So the purpose of these assignments is to help you improve your speaking ability before we head into the final speech for the semester. For the first couple of speaking prompts, as long as you submit something, you will receive full credit for the assignment, so it will be a completion grade. What I'm going to be doing is acting as your coach and providing you with tons of feedback on how to improve. For the speaking prompts and final speech in this class, I use what is called the 8 competencies to grade your assignment. So if you scroll down to the last page of this handout, you will find this public speaking competencies. So this is what I use to grade all speeches for the class. Now, I'm not expecting you to know this material because we have not covered it yet, but I do want you to read through my feedback so that you know how to improve for future speeches. So the way that these 8 competencies work is that 3 of them are about how you organize and write your speech, and the last 4 competencies look at how you deliver your speech. The first competency looks at how you have prepared your speech overall. So you might get full credit for the assignment because you completed it, but you might have a lot of notes in here on how to improve. So it's my expectation that you read through the notes so that you can improve for the next speaking prompt. So for this week, we are working on prompt 1. You have 2 options to choose from. The first one is looking at significant others. Now, oftentimes when we hear that term, you might think of a romantic partner, but it does not have to be a romantic partner. This is just someone who has profoundly influenced your life. So this could be a parent, a sibling, a close friend, or it could be a romantic partner. I do have some ideas of what you could talk about. I would like you to look at chapter 2 to help you with completing this prompt and to make reference to the text when you are presenting. The other option you have is to look at supportive listening. So you will describe an incident in which another person's supportive listening was helpful to you. And you will be looking at chapter 5 to help you. So it's my expectation that these speeches will be around 5 minutes long, that you will pull on your own personal experience as well as looking at the text and providing information from the text as well. Now, keep in mind that I know this is your first time presenting the prompt, so again, I am not expecting perfection, but I do expect you to try and to make an effort towards completing this speech and meeting all the requirements. So again, I'm looking for 5 minutes. You will take some time to have 3 to 5 main points and have an introduction and conclusion for your speech. Here are some guidelines to follow. Again, this video isn't going to cover every aspect of the speech, so please make sure you read through the handout as well and email me if you have any questions or concerns. Once you have written your speech and practiced and recorded your speech, it is time to publish your speech to Blackboard. So for this assignment, we will again be working within your group. So you will be posting your speaking prompt to your group, and then next week you will have a chance to review and give feedback to your group mates. So as a reminder, you can reach your group through link to groups on the left-hand side, or I have included a link here as well. When you click on this link, your group will be the only group that shows up, so click on that. Once you are in your group, you will click Group Discussion Board. And for you, the speaking prompt 1 will be available, so you can click there. When you're ready to upload, or when you're ready to share your speech, you will create your thread and then provide a link to your YouTube video. This is exactly the same process as you used for your introduction video. If you need assistance with that, please read through the directions in the week 1 folder, or you can email me as well. I hope that you have a great week, and please feel free to email me if you have any questions or concerns.